Have you ever been so exhausted that you get to the kitchen and you actually just decide to sit on the floor? We'll try bath 3 of the 5. 5 years old, 3 years old, and the other one is so close to 2, he can be 2. And he said, "Moeg." And it's like trying to herd a school of fish. Oh, good. Now one is approaching me. It's like, oh no, it's still coming. Oh, it's coming. Well, it wants to sit by me on the floor in the kitchen. Having a steertjies. Weet jy iets lekker, Cham? Het jy hare gewas? Ruik lekker. Ek het nie my hare gewas nie, ek het nog nie gebad nie. Moeg. Ek is klaar. Huh? It's like bathing 3 of them is like watching a vehicle stuck in the mud. And then you get it out and then you tell the next guy, don't go there, and he goes exactly there. Because he reckons, ek gaan vir jou wys. Jy gaan niks wys nie, broer, jy gaan ook vassit. Moer. Nee? Yeah, even he agrees. It is the culprit, but hulle stem saam.